I first spotted about the International Excellence Fellowship Program by an internal email in KIT. And I think this is excellent also to try to project our group internationally. This is a big help that I had from KIT, so I think that's the reason I decided to apply with the name of Isabella Schalko.
I'm a senior research assistant and lecturer at ETH Zurich, as well as a research affiliate at MIT. Here at KIT, I'm an International Excellence Fellow, and I was nominated by Professor Mario Franca.
I think choosing Isabella was an interception between two things. She's an excellent researcher. She's also very used to multicultural environment, and I know she's very motivated and also creative as well. And lately she has been working on restoring river habitats with natural materials. She's researching how to restore morphological structures in the bed of the rivers that will restore river habitats and sustain river habitats as well.
I'm actually collaborating with a doctoral student, Christine Cannon, and we're trying to improve the design of in-stream structures to provide habitat for fish. The problem is in rivers that sometimes they have been channelized, so they don't provide heterogeneous flow conditions. And especially during the summer, fish need regions with lower temperatures. And for that, we need to create a scour, so deeper regions with a larger water depth, and this can be done with different structures. And now in this project within the International Excellence Fellowship, I am investigating what is the effect of the porosity of the structures and how can we describe the flow conditions that are created in the vicinity of the structure.
Isabella was excellent because with our PhD candidate Christine Cannon and myself and Frank Seidel, a senior researcher from the group, we could plan very nice experiments and we are setting them up. So the natural continuation is the analysis, the discussion and the eventual publication of these experiments.
The highlight at KIT has been so far the connection with the other researchers here in the group, but also with the students. So besides being able to expand on a new research topic, I was actually giving one lecture unit for the Civil Engineering Master's program, and this has been a great experience to also get in touch with the students and connect and also have this knowledge transfer.
I hope that, well, in the long term or mid-term at least, Isabella can work as our ambassador of KIT and specifically of our group, and that she can also transmit the messages that we have a group of excellency here in terms of hydraulic research, and that we welcome persons here to work with us.